So the defense sector has been rallying for quite some time now, and the popular stocks like HAL, Bell, Bharat Dynamics, and many other popular large cap defense sector stocks have already started giving big rallies. But that is not all. There are small cap defense sector stocks which are also either participating in the rally right now or preparing to give a breakout, and I personally feel you should not miss them out, because the large cap stocks are going to give you returns, no doubt about that, and they are safe, but they are not going to give you that exponential massive returns that you might be looking for. Okay, they will give you moderate level of returns because their market cap is already very high, 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh crore, that kind of market cap. But the small cap stocks, they still have lot of room for growth. So definitely, if you are a person who is little bit into investing in aggressive stocks, small cap stocks, who is okay with it, and wants some huge exponential returns, then definitely you should consider investing some amount in small cap stocks. So today in this video I am going to discuss one small cap defense sector stock which was recently listed, I mean just few months back, less than 1 year. Okay, and the name is C2C Advanced Systems. So this stock we are going to do a proper full analysis, fundamentals and price action, and then we'll arrive at a conclusion that what will be the right approach to invest or trade in this stock, right? So before I take you to the screen, let me just remind you that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational and informational video which will help you in making better investment and trading decisions, right? So let's get to the screen. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. Okay, so this is the official website of C2C Advanced Systems. I am not going to go into every detail in this website. I will simply share this link. Please do your own homework on this website. You will find a lot of interesting things. You will get to know about it. Okay, we will discuss the important key points about this company. Okay, so when I open the key points, what I see is that you can see here it is mentioned C2C Advanced System is a vertical integrated defense electronics solutions provider catering to the indigenous developed defense product industry in India. And that India wants to develop defense products here in our own country, so that we don't have to pay huge sums of money to other countries to buy them directly. Okay, so that will be very beneficial for us as an economy, as well as it will be very beneficial for this small cap stocks, so that that the defense sector business grows, and also they make a lot of profit and the investors also make a lot of profit. Okay, so now you can read all the details here, but business profile here, and you can see in the product portfolio it has mentioned combat management systems and a lot of other things. Okay, anti-drone combat control and control systems. So many things, many interesting things, many important things, all are futuristic things. You can definitely get to learn a lot about this company if you go through the official website and also the screener page. I'll share both the links in the description section below. Okay, now we are going to look into the basic numbers of this company. So in the pros section, screener is saying that the company is almost debt free. It's a very good point for a small cap stock. The company has good return on equity track record. Okay, 37.9% for the last 3 years. Excellent. The debtor days have improved from 308 to 135 days. Okay, this is also a good thing. Okay, and the con section is blank. Okay, now we'll do our own analysis. So the current trading price of this stock is 486.75. market cap is 810 crore, so it's a small cap stock. Okay, reserves it has is 64 crore and debt is very small at just 1.12 crore, so which is excellent for a small cap stock, so that they do not get overburdened with the debt. If they have high debt, then it's they won't have enough freedom to grow. Okay, so that is a very good point as per me. Okay, debt to equity ratio is that's excellent, 0.01. 3 years average sales growth, you can see 590 crores. 3 years average profit growth 141 crore, and 3 years average earning per share growth is 33.22 crore. 3 years average return on asset 26.10, very good. 3 years average ROCE 42.53. Interest coverage ratio 45.70, excellent. Current ratio more than 8, that is also excellent. Operating profit margin is around 36. Promoter holding is 41.35%, and all plan Z score is 20.31, and there is no pledging at all, 0.00, excellent. Okay, so the numbers so far have been excellent, I would say, considering it's a small cap stock. Now last 3 years profit and loss statement. Okay, you can see the sales growing from just 8 crores in 2023 to 41 crores in 2024, then 115 crore in 2025. Operating profit 4 crores to 18 crores, then 18 crores to 41 crores. Very good, high growth, exponential growth. Okay, multifold growth. Okay, then operating profit margin 48% to 45, then 36. Although you might say that it is decreasing, but still you have to consider the fact that it is a small cap stock and it is growing, so obviously it will take some time to maintain a balanced operating profit margin. Okay, and the profit margin is on the higher side, so it's fine. Okay, you can consider that. Now earning per share 19.20, and here you can see a drop in earning per share. The reason behind that is that it gave fresh issues, new shares, so that's why the earning per share decreases. But you can see the next year, I mean in 2025, and this is growing. Okay, 10 crores to 17 crores, so almost 70% increase in earning per share, obviously. And in future, if the business continues like this, then definitely the earning per share will continue growing. Now coming to the shareholding pattern, what we see here is that from December 2024 to March 2025, the promoters have increased their stake slightly. Okay, although less than 1%, but still they have increased, so that is a good point for this company. Okay, but both FIs and DIs have reduced their stake, so we might say that they have done profit booking, and we can see the reflection of this in the chart. I will show it to you shortly. There has been some deep corrections after getting listed. I'll show you that. Okay, this thing has been clearly reflected in the stock price itself, but consider the fact that this is recently listed, and obviously in coming quarters the smart money might also enter. Okay, and if you look at the positive side, then despite being just 810 crores market cap, there are still more than 2 to 3% stake is being held by the smart money, so that is already a good thing in itself, and in future I'm pretty sure it will grow. Okay, now let us go to the price action and see what it tells us. And you can see it was listed here in December 2024, and after getting listed you can see the rapid rally it gave. Okay, it gave around 100% return in 42 days. That means in less than 2 months it became a multi-bagger, and you can see the massive fall. So most probably this is the period when the smart money exited from this stock. But after that you can see the stock has again started to rally in the upward direction. Now we'll do some proper technical analysis. So considering this as the high point, this is around 950 we can say, and the low point is around 255, so that's a massive correction. We'll use the fib retracement tool to spot some important levels, okay, which will be beneficial for us if you want to invest in this company. Okay, now you see that the stock has come down to this level, 250 level from 950 level, so that's a massive correction. And now it broke this level, and it is starting to go up from here. Okay, so now what should be your next step? I would say if you are purely an aggressive investor or trader, then you might consider entering at this level itself, because you can see it has broken this level and started going up, and here also it has broken some small level and it is starting to grow up. But if you want to be little bit on the conservative side, you want to play it safe, then I would say you will have to wait for the 50% level, 604. You can round up to 600. You have to wait for this level to be broken, and this level needs to turn into support. Okay, so ideally the price action should look something like this. It has to break this level, 600 level, then use it as a support and then start going up. So during this level, this gap 600 to let's say 680, this will be the ideal entry point. Or even if it is crossing 700 also, this level, that is also fine, but you have to wait for at least the break of 600 level, and the 600 level needs to turn into a support. Okay, that is for the conservative people who want to play safe. But if you are okay with taking little bit of risk, okay, and you want some early entry, then you might be interested in doing some partial buying at this level. But remember that this is not a stock recommendation advice. This is just to help you understand the approach you should follow to invest in this stock, because this is a small cap stock. You have to do some proper deep analysis. Obviously you do not want to put your money to waste. Okay, you want to invest in some quality stocks, and in my opinion this stock might be interesting to you, because obviously I have discussed all the things why it should be considered valuable. It is debt free, it is growing rapidly, it is into defense sector, which is a very futuristic business here in India, and we know that in future it is likely to continue growing like that, and the price action is getting stronger and stronger. So all these factors are in favor of this company, C2C Advanced Systems, and that's why I wanted to highlight this stock to you. Okay, so that is all about this stock. I hope this video was useful to you, informative to you, and it helped you in understanding what approach you should follow if you want to invest in this stock. If you found this valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.